Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
This carbonic acid carbonate equilibrium determines the amount of free protons in the seawater and thus the pH value. This then reacts with carbonate ions and forms bicarbonate. Over the long term, ocean acidification leads to a decrease in the concentration of carbonate ions in seawater.
Take our lead.
Ocean acidification refers to the increase of CO2, carbon dioxide, within the atmosphere, which triggers a reaction which in turn increases the acidity of the ocean. This is as well a reversible reaction.
Let's help you make your mark.
Some marine organisms, such as corals and some shellfish, have shells composed of calcium carbonate which dissolves more readily in acid. As the acidity of seawater increases, it becomes more difficult for them to form or maintain their shells.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Ocean acidification is mainly caused by carbon dioxide gas in the atmosphere dissolving into the ocean. This leads to a lowering of the water's pH, making the ocean more acidic. Also, when plants are cut down and burned or left to rot, the carbon that makes up their organic tissue is released as carbon dioxide.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Ocean acidification reduces the amount of carbonate, a key building block in seawater. This makes it more difficult for marine organisms, such as coral and some plankton, to form their shells and skeletons, and existing shells may begin to dissolve.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.